Einstein famously said that the problems of today cannot be solved with the same mentality as what we used while creating these problems. Healthcare today is at an inflection point in India where we have a lot of hope, many solutions, and a strong focus on technology to make all of these solutions come true. I'm really excited about the IET Future Tech Congress, especially with our focus on things like Digital Disease Surveillance Project. It's a showcase that we're going to talk about during the Congress, where we look at publicly available data and analyze the spread of 3 critical infectious diseases: malaria, dengue, and chikungunya. I'm really excited about the Congress, where we also talk about emerging areas like 5G, its implication in healthcare, as well as artificial intelligence. I'm looking forward to the Congress and hope to meet you and discuss interesting solutions for India's healthcare future. Stay healthy, stay safe, see you soon. I'm going to be at the FTC. Are you?